Hey guys, welcome back to Lauren the Amazing. I'm Lauren, welcome back. And today, we are going to be counting how much fidgets I have and showing you guys all of them. So yeah, let's get started. Whoa. Okay, first up, we're going to do the fidgets I just got. So you probably saw these in the last video. So we have the Wacky Tracks. So that's one. This one. And this is two. So two Wacky Tracks. So together I have two fidgets so far. Next, this fidget pad. And I really like this one. So this is the third one. I like all these buttons and stuff. Next is the poppet. Actually, I'm going to be showing all my poppets separately. So, yeah. We have this DNA ball. And it's pretty cool. So yeah. This is 4 fidgets. Next, we have marble mesh. I love these things. And I think I have, including these, I think I have 7. But yeah, we're not going to count right now. And I have some right there. And I think I have some that are not with me right now. But I can tell if I don't have them. So 3 marble meshes. Next, we have this dimple. It's really nice, and I just got it. I rate it a 10, and I love it so much. So this is fidget number, I think 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Number 7. Now we have the bike chain. I think I have 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. And yeah. And that is fidget number, I think 8. Next, we have all my acupressure rings. These are not all of them, but I will be showing all of them. So we have these 2 white ones. And these 3 gold ones. I really like these, and yeah. So together, I don't know how much that is, but we're going to count at the end. Next up, here are some of my pea poppers. So we have this one, and these are actually really nice because I don't have to put any pressure. Like, you just push on them and they come out. They're really nice, and my other ones aren't that easy, which I'll be showing because I'm showing you all of my favorites. So those are all of them for this section. Here we have the monkey noodles. So here's just some of them, and yeah, they're pretty nice. And I forgot these in the last video to show them, but I rate them, and since they're so small, 5, but they're still fun to play with, so yeah. Next we have this infinity cube, and pretty nice. I have another one, and another one that broke. I rate this I think I'm going to give it, a 7. So that's all for this group. So I'm going to be counting how much I have. So I counted, and there is 21, I think. Yeah, and I might be a little off, but yeah, 21. And we're going to move on to the next, which is the snakes. I love these things, but I rate them a 7. So that's 23. Here's another pea popper, which is very hard too. Like, you can barely push it out. And this is just broken. It just stays out. I rate this a 3. Next, we have all these monkey noodles, and I love them. I have more in the bag, but I rate this a 6. They're not, I mean, I like playing with them, but they're not, hey, but they're not like, that big. Here's basketball stress balls. These are so boring. So I'm going to rate them a 3. Here's my triple dimple. I rate these a 8. Oh, and here's a better view of it. Here's the dimple. Simple dimple. I have 2 of these. So yeah. It's a blue and green one. And next we have 4 marble meshes. I don't know where all 4 are, but I have 4 of them. Next we have this thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah.